You see, our Huck Finn dream came true. The stories got stretched a little after 20 years, but the fact remains that Greg Kerr's childhood dream came true. The way I heard it, Greg Kerr's 4th grade teacher read Huck Finn in class, and Greg never forgot it. It says a lot about teachers and about Mark Twain. If you remember the story, and being a lit minor, I do, Tom Sawyer was the dreamer and the communicator. Huck Finn was the doer and the questioner. Both Tom and Huck had a sense to appreciate the freedom that we all long for, and they found it on the Mississippi River, and they had the wits to survive. Twain hit an all-American nerve there with those characters and the river. We all seem to be somewhere in between. If that wasn't true, would we still be reading and writing about them and the Mississippi River? Kerr, an outdoorsman, owned a plumbing and heating company, and he could do anything with metal. He was simply following his Huck Finn dream. In 1995, he recruited fellow Clark Lakers Bill Tuttle, a middle school teacher, and Jim Swain, a mechanical engineer. Bill was a sailor who wanted the adventure. He was our Tom Sawyer, as he quickly became the voice of the Raft. Swain, a serious camper, looked forward to the details of the trip and the challenges. He was more towards Huck, always thinking ahead. And at the end, that's what navigated us through many forks in the flooded Mississippi. Me? Rumor has it I was the 2nd or 3rd choice, but I jumped at the chance. I wrote the introduction to the reprint of Marquette's 1673 journal. And his words upon entering the Mississippi River in a birch bark canoe with a joy I cannot express just were burned into my brain, and I wanted to experience that same joy.